In today's video about natural stress relief, we're going to discuss the benefits of Kava Kava. Kava Kava is a tropical evergreen shrub that's been used for years by Pacific Islanders, specifically in ceremonies. This shrub is used worldwide to do help with a wide array of medical issues from stress relief to chronic pain. It also has been shown to protect neurons in your brain from further damage. This supplement can cause drowsiness, however, so it's best to consume it when you plan on staying home or going straight to bed. In addition to all of these benefits, it may also reduce your risk of getting cancer. If you suffer from any form of anxiety, then consider taking Kava Kava in the form of a supplement. Over time, it'll build up in your system and you'll feel your anxiety greatly reducing. You can also consume it as needed in the form of an herbal tea. There are many brands to choose from. This tea time can be incorporated into your writing time. Sip a cup of Kava Kava while releasing your stressful thoughts into your journal. And just like with the other supplements we have discussed, you can also use it in liquid form under the tongue. You can even sprinkle some directly onto your pillow before going to bed as a way to help you slowly drift off to sleep. As with any type of supplement, however, be sure to speak with your doctor before consuming Kava Kava. It tends to make people feel drowsy, which is why it's recommended that you only take it when you're at home. Many people have also said that Kava Kava leaves them with a euphoric effect, making them feel incredibly relaxed and almost sedated. So again, be sure to only take it when you plan on being in one place for the rest of the night. In fact, you may find that Kava Kava helps alleviate any sleep disorders you may have. Studies have shown that it's a great alternative to other insomnia remedies. Stay tuned for the next in this series of videos, when we'll discuss how nutrient-dense food can help you alleviate stress. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you want more videos, subscribe to the channel. See you on the next video.